Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning! This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation. Bringing you another quote to try and help kickstart your day. And here are your words of wisdom. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. Success just doesn't happen. There's a constant daily process you have to go through day in and day out. Sometimes you'll have to put a lot of effort in, sometimes not so much. But as long as you're doing something towards your goal, then it's all progress towards your goal to smash whatever that may be. Just keep working and the rest will come together just for you.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.